Welcome students, this is Varsha CBSE Maths 10, 8th lesson, Trigonometry lesson, exercise 4, 8.4. This is your 4th exercise in this lesson, page number 193. Choose the best 4th question. So you have 4 questions. So in this video I am going to do the 3 sums. So listen carefully, it is so simple. Yes, so you have to recall all the identities and the ratios. If know clearly, you can do the sum very easily. Okay. See, this is your first question. See, 9 secant square A minus 9 tan square A. See, this is your question. See, students, 9 you have two terms. Okay, this is one term, this is second term. So these two terms can be divided by 9. So I am going to take 9 as common. Okay, so it means what is taking common means we can divide that. Okay, so 9 by 9 1, that is secant square A. Here also you have divided, so 1, so minus secant square A, tan square A. So what is that identity, students? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. So 1 equal to, see, secant square minus tan square. So secant square minus tan square equal to 1. So this is 9 into 1, so 9. So the answer is 9. Okay, so it's so simple. Yes, if you know the identity clearly, the sum will be easy. Okay, see, so which option is right? Second option is right. So this is our right option. So 9 is your answer. Okay. See, now go to the second question. See, second question is little bit huge one, but you cannot do. I have separate papers, but I am going to do in this. Okay. So see, that is the question. 1 plus tan plus secant and 1 plus cot minus cosecant. So what is the values? Okay. See, this is simple one, but listen carefully, students. So this is 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta. This is 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. So first you should know what are the reciprocals. See, this is second subdivision. Tan theta always can be written as sin theta by cos theta. Okay. See, what are the reciprocals? 1 by sin, that is equal to cosecant. Then 1 by cos, that is equal to secant. Then 1 by tan, that is equal to cot. Okay, so is it so simple? Yes. So cot, see, this is tan and cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. So these are the important reciprocals. Okay, so now take your question. LHS equal to 1 plus tan theta. So for tan theta, you can write sin by cos plus secant theta. Secant is a reciprocal of cos. Okay, so for secant you can write 1 by cos. Okay, students, do you understand this step? Yes. So now into the next term, 1 plus cot. Cot can be written as cos by sin minus cosecant. What is cosecant? Cosecant is the reciprocal of sin. So in the place of cosecant, you can write 1 by sin. Okay, do you understand this step? Yes. Now take LCM. See, this is 1. Here also 1. So in the two terms, the denominators are equal, but in the first term it is not equal. So take LCM. So you have to multiply cos, numerator and the denominator cos. So this will be cos plus sin plus 1 by cos theta. See, similarly here also multiply by sin, multiply by sin. So this is sin plus cos minus 1 by sine. Okay, do you understand this step, students? Yes. So this is like a one word question, but it takes so many steps. Okay, see students, here this is sine plus cos. This is also sine plus cos. Okay, see, you can take this term as A, this is as B. So this is as A, this is as B. So what you can write, students? Yes, A square minus B square. Okay, so because multiplication sign is here, so we are going to multiply. See, how will you multiply? This is A. So see, A term is cos plus sine. So A square minus B square divided by sine into cos. So do you understand this step, students? Do you understand clearly? So you have taken the LCM, cos and cos. So three denominators are equal. Okay, so that's why we are taking LCM. Okay, so this total term is considered as A, sine plus cos. Here also sine plus cos. See, both are equal. This is A. B equal to 1. So cos plus sine the whole square minus 1, because this is A, this is B. Okay, so now what is the final step? So you see, we are going to find the answer. See, what is the final step? This is A plus B the whole square form. Is it so, students? So we are using algebra. Okay, see, so this can be written as, I have written here, see, A square, so that is cos square, plus 2AB. So what is our 2AB plus B square minus 1. Okay, students, do you understand this step? Yes. Now the denominator, it is sine into cos. Okay, so do you understand this step? Yes. Now see, this is cos square, this is cos square, here this is sine square. Addition symbol is there, so you can write 1. Okay, so this is plus 1 plus 2 cos sine, so this is minus 1 divided by 2 sine cos. Okay, students, do you understand this step? Yes. Now you can cancel 1 minus 1. So what is the remaining step, students? See, what are the remaining steps? That is 2 sine cos. Okay, so 2 cos into sine divided by cos into sine. Okay, so in this place you can cancel sine cos, sine cos, sine cos. So you will get your answer 2. Okay, so the answer is 2. See, one more time I will going to explain. See, students, listen carefully. So this is simple sum, not a very difficult sum. This is so simple sum. See, this is your second question. So what is the question? 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta. Then 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. So the place of tan we write sin by cos. Secant can be written 1 by cos. Okay, secant is equal to 1 by cos. So this is what we written here. Okay, so 1 plus sin by cos plus 1 by cos. So see, this is second term. 1 plus cot. So cot can be written as cos by sin minus 1 by sin. Okay, so take LCM. So if you take LCM, the denominator, 3 denominators will be equal. So for that, you multiply the first term, cos theta, numerator and the denominator. And here sin theta is the LCM, so you have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by sin theta. Okay students, do you understand? Yes. Now cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. Okay, the denominator will be whole sin theta, cos theta. Here sin theta, cos theta minus 1 divided by sin theta. See, do you understand this step? Yes. Now here in the form a plus b, a minus b. So what is your a? Cos plus sin, that is your a. What is your b? 1 is your b. So a square minus b square. Okay, so this is a square minus b square. So again it is an algebraic expression. See, a plus b the whole square. So you write a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 1. So cos square plus sin square is equal to 1 plus 2 sin cos minus 1. Okay, so 1 cancel, sin cos cancel. So you will get your answer. Sorry, kilo 2 is not here students. Okay, so see, I was wrong. See, you get the answer 2. So which option is the right option? C is your right option. Okay students, do you understand? I hope you all understand. So this video takes so much of time. We have done 2 sums, but I think you hope all you are understand. So usually I cite after seeing the video, do the sum. Okay, definitely you will clearly understand. Okay, thank you students.